Julie with Warmboard, and today I'm on site in Framingham, Massachusetts. This new construction home is located on a golf course here. It's using 2,000 square feet of Warmboard S, another 1,300 square feet of tubing and slab in the garage and the basement, and it's all hooked up to the propane-fired version of our Warmboard Comfort System. Now, something interesting to note is that I was just on site 3.5 weeks ago as the first subfloor panels were being laid on the main level here. So in 3.5 weeks, they're almost completely weather tight. It's a beautifully built home, and I'd love to show you around.